Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to personalize and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and choose this camera icon in the middle. And as you can see, right now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. And as you can see right now, you can decide where you want to complete this action, and I will pick the gallery. So as you can see, we've been transferred to the photos. We can tap on albums and simply find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. Again, we have to decide where we want to crop the photo, so I will pick Google Photos this time. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. You can zoom in or out the photo. It's up to you. Just position it like you want to. And if you, what's more, you can rotate the picture here. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. After getting back, you can see it on the contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.